Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to display the bookmark bar in Microsoft Edge, which can be super useful for accessing your favorite websites quickly and easily. First things first, go ahead and open up your Microsoft Edge browser. Once you're in, you'll want to click on the three dots menu in the top right-hand corner. From there, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, you'll be in the Settings section. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Go ahead and click on Appearance. Once you're there, scroll down a bit until you see the option to Show Favorites bar. This is where you can choose how you want your bookmark bar to be displayed. You have three options to choose from: Always, Only on New Tabs, or Never. Just select whichever option you prefer, and voila, your bookmark bar is now set up in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more helpful tips and tricks in the future.